इन्होंने दुनिया की रचना रची है, तीनों लोकों के स्वामी हैं ये होते हुए भी नहीं होते हैं और हैं भी, जो भी कुछ करते हैं यही करते हैं।
To Vikram and many like him, Bhole Baba is no ordinary guru. He's divine, creator of the universe and a healer. Look at these handpumps installed outside his ashram that allegedly cures incurable diseases.
श्रद्धा लेके आते हैं, उनकी बीमारियां होती हैं, सारे कष्ट इस पानी पीने से खत्म हो जाते हैं।
बुखार आता है, किसी को बीमारी होती है, तो हम यहाँ का पानी ले जाते हैं तो ठीक हो जाते हैं।
Bhole Baba allegedly left his government job 26 years ago to begin delivering religious sermons. His controversial actions include claims of resurrecting a deceased girl. Now he's been absconding since the tragic stampede at Hathras that led to 121 deaths.
135 लोग मर गए हैं, तो इसीलिए इसको एक आप कानून बनाइए।
थैंक यू सर।
क्योंकि ऐसे ब्लाइंड फेथ तो बहुत से लोग पुलिस ऑफिसर्स बन रहे सत्संग में।
Is it time for an anti-superstition law at the national level? Maharashtra and Karnataka have enacted laws against human sacrifice, black magic and other inhumane practices. What I'm about to show you is from 2010. These children in Karnataka are buried neck down during a solar eclipse that supposedly will cure them of the many illnesses that they suffer from. But now with the coming of an anti-superstition act in 2020 in the state of Karnataka, acts like these are punishable with up to 7 years of imprisonment and a fine ranging from 5,000 to 50,000. Similar is the case in Maharashtra. There are provisions for prevention and eradication of human sacrifice and other inhumane practices that carry imprisonment of not less than 6 months and up to 7 years with a fine of not less than 5,000 and up to 50,000. States of Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Rajasthan, Assam have enacted laws to prevent witch hunting, a practice that has led to the torture and killing of women identified as witches. A national anti-superstition law could offer a unified approach to eradicate dangerous beliefs and ensure the safety of all citizens. But there are challenges to it, especially given the entrenched nature of superstitions in India. This was the response of a Swami in a debate when cows trampled dozens in the name of faith. It's a peculiar tradition followed in central India.
स्पेन में एक सांड को दौड़ा दौड़ा करके मारना और उसको भाले की नोकों से यानी बींद बींद करके लहूलुहान करके उसको मार डालना, ये परंपरा पश्चिम की है, तरक्की पसंद वेस्ट की परंपरा है।
तस्वीर हमने आपको दिखाई आचार्य जी, जिसमें गायों को बाकायदा लोगों के ऊपर दौड़ाया जा रहा है। इसमें और स्पेन की तस्वीर में जमीन आसमान का फर्क है आचार्य जी।
In India, it's believed that if a black cat crosses your path, it's bad luck. Breaking mirrors brings bad luck. Twitching of an eye is inauspicious and hanging lemons and green chilies is good luck. But the Hathras tragedy is a reminder of India's pressing need to address superstitions comprehensively.
For more information, you can read up this article at indiatoday.in.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.